Imagine this. You want to save money, but you don't have a clear plan. Each month, you spend whatever is left after your expenses, hoping it's enough. Months pass, and you realize you're no closer to your goal. Frustrating, isn't it? That's what happens when you don't have proper goal setting. In this video, we'll explore how to set goals effectively and achieve them step by step. Step 1. Define clear and specific goals. The first step is to be specific about what you want to achieve. Vague goals like, I want to be successful, don't work because they lack direction. Instead, define what success looks like for you. For example, I want to get promoted to a managerial role within 2 years. Step 2. Use the SMART framework. Ensure your goals are SMART. Specific. Clearly define what you want to accomplish. Measurable. Set a way to track your progress. Achievable. Make it realistic given your current situation. Relevant. Align it with your priorities and values. Time-bound. Set a deadline to keep yourself accountable. For instance, instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I want to lose 5 kilograms in the next 3 months by exercising 3 times a week. Step 3. Break down big goals. Large goals can feel overwhelming. Break them into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to save $10,000 in a year, calculate how much you need to save each month or week and create a budget to follow. Step 4. Identify potential obstacles. Think about the challenges that might come up and prepare solutions in advance. If you're trying to stick to a workout routine but often get too busy, schedule your workouts early in the morning or during lunch breaks. Step 5. Track your progress. Regularly review your progress to ensure you're on the right track. Adjust your plan if needed, but stay consistent. Small, consistent actions lead to significant results over time. Step 6. Celebrate small wins. Reaching milestones, no matter how small, deserves recognition. It keeps you motivated and reminds you that you're moving forward. Final thought. Setting goals isn't just about knowing what you want. It's about creating a roadmap to get there. With clear goals, a solid plan, and consistent action, you can turn your aspirations into reality. Thanks for watching.